Welcome back to this web episode and still talking about compound angles. We are going to example 10. It goes evaluate tan of 75, evaluate tan of 75 without using tables or calculators. So here I've said don't use a calculator, don't use a table, but evaluate this number. What do we do to such kind of a number? Solution. 75 is the same as 45 plus 30. So what if I play on those ones? I introduce a tan. I say tan of 75 is the same as tan into 45 plus 30. So can we open here using, and also from tan into a plus b was the same as tan a plus tan b all over 1 minus tan a tan b. So following the same trend, tan of 75, that you are going to say tan of 45 plus 30 equals, our a is like 45, this is the same as tan 45 plus tan 30 all over 1 minus tan 45 tan of 30. But tan 45 is the same as 1, comma, tan of 30 is the same as 1 over root 3, as we try to prove the other time in our stuffs. So we move on. What do? We say now tan 75 is the same one. When you see a tan of 45, put 1 plus tan of 30, I just put 1 over root 3 all over 1 minus 1 times 1 out of root 3. We go, this is the same as 1 plus 1 over root 3 all over 1 minus 1 over root 3. Can we find the LCM both on the denominator and on the numerator? So the LCM is root 3. So this becomes root 3 plus 1 out of root 3 divided by, find the LCM still, it becomes root 3 minus 1 out of root 3, which becomes root 3 plus 1 out of root 3 times root 3 all over root 3 minus 1. So we are having tan 75 equals root 3 plus 1. This and this disappears. All over root 3 minus 1. What do we do with that? We rationalize as usual. We take the conjugate. This becomes root 3 plus 1 out of root 3 minus 1 times root 3 plus 1. We're taking the conjugate onto root 3 plus 1, which becomes root 3 into root 3 plus 1, then plus 1 into root 3 plus 1, all over. This one is a difference of 2 squares, which becomes root 3 squared minus 1 squared. Root 3 times root 3, we are getting root 9, plus again root 3, again plus root 3, plus 1 all over 3 minus 1. What is the square root of 9? Is 3. Plus root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3, plus 1 all over 2. Collecting like terms, this one becomes 4 plus 2 root 3 out of 2. And the 2 divides everything, we are getting 2 plus root 3, which is equal to the tan of 75 degrees. That's how we do such kind of a number.